two important questions highly expected for your board exams. And the question is from exercise 3.3 arithmetic of integers. Here it is asked for any integer a so that GCD of twice a plus 1, 9a plus 4 is your 1. As well as again for any integer a, we are to show that GCD of 3a comma 3a plus 2 is 1. That is greatest common divisor, or you can say ACF. Now, before going to solve this, we need to one result. Say, let us consider any two numbers. Say, let me consider 6 and 15. Now, highest common factor of 6 and 15, it is your 3. Now, you see, that means 3 divides 6 as well as 3 divides 15. Then 3 divides multiple of 6, any multiple of 6. 3 divides, you can say 6k1. k1 is any integer. And as 3 divides 15, so 3 divides multiple of 15 also, that is 15k2. As well as 3 also divides the sum of these two numbers and difference of these two numbers. So that result should be known to us. Now this concept we are going to apply here. Say number 1. Let me take black marker. In number 1, let GCD, we don't know what the GCD, say twice a plus 1. Another number is your 9a plus 4. Say GCD is your D. Let us assume the GCD as D. Therefore, D divides twice a plus 1 as well as D divides 9a plus 4. Now, we are going to use one concept, that is sum of these two, difference of these two, multiple of this as well as multiple of this, any number is also divisible by D. Now, if I do one thing, that is D divides, let me take multiple of this, and 9 times twice a plus 1. It's also divisible by D. Then D also divides, let me take here twice of 9a plus 4. That means D divides 18a plus 9, and here you get D divides, it is 9a. 18a plus 8, it is 9a. So 18a plus 8. Then it's well known to us, difference of these two is also divisible by D. Therefore, D also divides 18a plus 9 minus 18a plus 8. Now you see what result you get. From here, you get D divides. If you take the difference, then what result will come? You see, D divides 18a minus 18a cancelled out. 9 minus 8, it is your 1. So D divides 1. As D divides 1, so D must be is your 1. That means from here it is confirmed D is equals to 1. So what is the GCD of these two numbers is D. So it is proved GCD of twice a plus 1, 9a plus 4 is your 1. Similar way, we can prove the second part also. Now we are going to take the second question. Here also, exactly same way you approach this. Now let us take the second question. Here, you have to solve the GCD of 3a comma 3a plus 2 is your 1, or you can say HCF of 3a comma 3a plus 2 is your 1. Now, let GCD of these two is your D. Then from here, what you can say, D divides 3a as well as D divides 3a plus 2. Now you see, a is what? A is any integer. As a is any integer, that means 3a is the this number is multiple of 3. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever you take, all are, this is nothing but you can say multiples of 3. Multiples, most important step, multiples of 3. So, here, how can you say this is multiple of 3? It's very much obvious to us. Because in the question, a is any integer. So 3 into any integer. That means this is your multiple of 3. That means D divides all the multiples of 3. From here you can say that is D divides all the multiples of 3. Now see, what we can do, this implies D divides 3a plus 3 if I write. It is true. Why? Because D divides 3 times of a plus 1. What's the justification here? Because this statement itself saying that D divides all the multiples of 3. And if you add 3 here, again the result becomes multiple of 3. Whatever integer you take, a plus 1 is again integer. So 3 times of some integer, it's your multiple of 3. It means D divides multiple of 3. That is, or you can say D divides thrice of a plus 1. And here D divides 3a plus 2. Then difference of these two numbers is also divisible by 3. Therefore, D divides 3 times a plus 1 minus 3a plus 2. Now see what you obtain. D divides 3a cancelled out. Let me simplify this. 3a plus 3 minus 3a minus 2. 3a cancelled out. And let me write here this step. So here D divides 3 minus 2 is your what? Again 1. So there is only one option. As D divides 1 you obtain. Therefore D must be equal to 1. Therefore D is equal to 1. That is, conclusion is this. From here you can say GCD of 3a plus 2 is equal to 1. That's it. I hope it's clear to all of you. Thank you.